University of Bristol Review. App: the pros, the cons. If you're considering studying at the University of Bristol, their app promises to streamline your academic and campus experience, but does it really deliver? One of the biggest pros is accessibility. Most people get this wrong by assuming university apps are just for checking grades. The University of Bristol app allows students to view timetables, submit coursework, check exam schedules, and access library resources all in one place. Another advantage is communication. The app sends notifications for class changes, campus announcements, and deadlines, helping students stay organized. For international students, it also provides access to support services and campus maps, reducing stress during the transition. The app also integrates with campus systems like lecture recordings and digital learning platforms, allowing remote access to learning materials. This is particularly useful during periods of blended or online learning. However, there are cons. Some users report occasional bugs, such as slow loading times or sync issues with schedules. Advanced features like academic progress tracking can be limited compared to desktop portals, and offline access to certain resources may be restricted. In conclusion, the University of Bristol app is ideal for students who want a centralized tool for academics, schedules, and campus life. The surprising truth is that while it's convenient, it works best when used alongside other university platforms rather than as a standalone solution. If you want a handy, mobile-friendly way to manage your student life at Bristol, the app is worth downloading, but be prepared to supplement it with full online systems for the most detailed information.